Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking briefly at what is on the Pennsylvania test for notaries. So to get an idea of what we can expect on the test, we can go to this website, which is www.pearsonview.com/us/en/notaries.html. And on this page, it gives us help on what test takers can expect. Now, if we scroll down this page, we want to go to the Candidate Information Bulletin, and that takes us to this PDF. Now, one of the most important things we can look at is on page 8. And on page 8, it tells us what the exam will consist of. So we see that it will consist of 25 scored and 5 pre-test multiple choice questions. Each examination item will consist of a question and 3 answer options. But note that if you leave a question unanswered, it will be marked as incorrect. So you just want to keep that in mind as you're going to be taking this test. So let's take a look at what exactly is on the test. And we can see that here in the content outline, but we also have it here a little bit bigger for us. So here it's broken up into sections. So the first section is obtaining notary commission. And these are the things that you can expect on the questions in this section. And then the second section is performing notarial acts, paper-based, electronically, or remotely. And so here is some more information on what we can expect in these questions. And then the last section is managing your notary commission. Knowing what to expect on the exam is really going to give you a leg up and help you to pass that exam the first time. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.